We did it, Mila! What a creepy hallway. Are you actually going in there? Oh my god. She's so strong! It's fine, Mila. I can move on now. I wish I could. Crazy Mita isn't exactly the patient type. Ooh, and Mila has a dark side too? The music's all sinister. Oh no. We need to reset her memories. There. I understand how you feel, Mila. Do you want me to come back afterward? If I can. Oh. I will. It's just a little while longer. We can't leave. She's actually blocked me from returning in. You jerk, MC. You're the worst. Oh. Chainsaw Mita? That's not Mila. That's obviously crazy Mita. Ah! The cuties! That was the dead end. Ooh! I like a chainsaw ending. Oh yeah, she killed Mila. That's okay. She needed her memory reset anyway. How could she do that to Mila?